Okay, so very good morning to my dear students. Let's begin with the Industrial Pharmacy 1. Okay, so we are on to the MGC. What is MGC? Mixing, granulation and compression, right? So in order to just summarize, we had made this particular acronym, that is MGC. We had gone through the details of the mixing process and we are on to the granulation. So while studying the granulation, we had studied the FBD. FBD, that is the fluidized bed granulation, right? So this is the particular equipment which is used, so that will carry out all different steps. So that's why it is said that it is the multiple state wet granulation process. So what it will do, it will carry out all kinds of operations, that is say preheating, granulation and drying the powder. It will allow the close control of the granulation process through the monitor, through the assembly, through the devices. Now how this FBD will work, so that we will going to understand through this particular video which is there onto the FBD. Okay, so this is the industrial fluidized bed granulator. Okay, now let's understand that what are the factors they will affect the process of granulation. So there are three different factors. One is said to be the blend factor, second is said to be the binding factor, and the third is said to be the granulation process factors. Now what are the blend factors? The blend factor, these are recipients. We should have the uniform particle size and the of the drugs and excipients. The binder factor, these are said to be the type, volume and concentration of the binder which we are using. Then the granulation process factor. The granulation process factor, these are the granulation time, equipment and drying rate. So all these three factors, they will affect the process of granulation. The next type of granulation method, which is said to be the dry granulation. From the name itself, we can have an idea that it is the dry process. So for moisture and heat sensitive products and which are not compressed well after wet granulation, in such cases, the dry granulation, that is advisable. It is advisable in which case? It is advisable when the product, when the API, when the excipients, these are the moisture sensitive and these are the heat sensitive products. Wet granulation, in that case, dry granulation method, that is preferable one. Without use of the liquid binder, this dry granulation, it do not involve the use of the liquid binder. It is simpler than the wet granulation because the number of steps that are reduced as direct compression is there. In case of dry granulation, it require the, or it involve the low cost technique, because we require less number of equipment, we require less number of steps, which will save the energy, which will save the expenditure onto the operators and the equipment. So that's why it is a low cost technique. creating granules by light compaction of the powder blend under low pressure. The pressure which is required in order to produce the tablet, that is huge, that is high. Compared to that, we require the less pressure in order to go for the dry granulation method. Here, what is to be done? Here, the slugs are formed. The slugs are broken into granules. Now, what are these slugs? Slugs, these are nothing but powder. That is said to be the slug. So, just a simple view has been shown in this particular picture. You can see there is a hopper which will contain the powder. This will be allowed to subject, or this will be passed between the rollers where we will be getting the slug. Now this is the slug which is said to be the larger tablets. Now these are further subjected to the process of size reduction, and it will be allowed to pass through the sieve, as a result of which we are getting the granules of uniform size. So that is what is the dry granulation process. Now, what are the steps that are involved in the DG, that is the dry granulation? So, first process, that is the mixing of the API, mixing of the blend, mixing of the API and the excipients, milling and mixing. After milling and mixing, there is a slugging, that is the production of the large size tablet. The large size tablet or the large sheets of the powder that will be passed through the screen after subjecting it to the size reduction in order to get the granules with the disintegrant and lubricant. Further, at last it will be subjected to the process of compression. So what are the different steps in case of dry granulation? It is the mixing, it is the milling, mixing, slugging, screening, mixing with disintegrant, lubricant and the ultimate compression. So what are the equipments? We require the roller compactor, we require the extrusion spheronization, we require the spray drying equipment. In case of the granulation process, we require the low shear, high shear granulators based on the requirement. In order to dry, produce the granules and to get reduce the segregate into the size, we require the FBDs, that is the multiple stage, multiple operations dryers, that is the fluidized bed dryers. We require the continuous spouted bed. So for the process of drying, at certain time it require. We require the granulator with the help of the counter current operating blades. That is the RMG, that is the rapid mixer granulator. RMG, rapid mixer granulator. Now there are some of the new and advanced techniques so that are used in case of industries as far as the process of granulations are concerned. Now, in order to understand all these, again, we need to go into the details, but because of the time constraint and because of the limitations as far as the scope of our syllabi is concerned, we will not going into the details, but we should know that what are these techniques, what these are called to be. Now these are steam granulation, these are melt granulation, these are moisture activated dry granulation, which is said to be the MADG. There is a MGT, MGT will stands for the moist granulation technique. There is a thermal adhesion granulation process, TAGP. There is a extrusion spheronization, ES, and continuous screen screw wet granulation, that is the CTSWG. So all these are the different techniques that are used for the process of the granulation. So till so far what we saw the granulation, we saw the process of mixing. So MGC, among MGC we had gone through the mixing, we had gone through the granulation. Now the next is the compaction. We will go into the details of the process of compaction. Now, in order to understand the compaction, we need to understand the basic concepts of the tablet punching process, that how the tablet these are going to be produced, how the tablets are going to be punched, the concept of compression and the different kinds of the tablet defects. So the lesson plan that will move like the basic preparation method of tablet, the tablet punching, that is equipments and the processes, the concept of compression and the processing problems associated with the tablet defects. So the tablet manufacturing, it involves MGC, that is mixing granulation, which already we had covered as I already explained. And now we have to move to the compression, that is the tablet punching. Now you can see this is the particular typical and the simple description or the method or the schematic representation which is associated with the process of the tablet punching. Now, what the tablet punching machine that will contain? It will contain a hopper. Hopper, it is the particular device which will store the granules. There is a feed frame. Feed frame that is for uniform even distribution of the granules over onto that of the dies. There is an agitator. The agitator that will ensure the complete filling of the die cavities. There is a punches, there is a pair of punches. One punch is said to be which is there at the top, upper punch. One punch is said to be which is there at the lower side, that is the lower punch. And between the upper and the lower punch, the process of compression that will occur, and this process that will be run with the help of a device which is said to be the motor. Now this motor is in order to run the agitator device in order to ensure the complete filling of the dies, as well as in order to run the process of compression and to carry out the compression. So tablet punching machine, it shows the four different parts. That is the hopper for temporary storing of the material for the compression, that is the granules most of the cases. Feed frame that is for distribution of the materials into the dies. The dies for controlling the size and shape of the tablet, and punches, the punches for compressing the material within the dies. Now this is said to be the dies, right? So there are different types of the dies, there are different shapes of the dies, which is ultimately responsible for governing, for determining the size, shape, and the particular impressions onto that of the tablets. More specifically, the impressions or the logos or the names, engravings that will be determined by the punches. But the shape and size of the tablet that will be determined by the dies. Let's say, for example, rounded, elliptical, or say concave, or say convex surface, or say diamond shaped tablet. All these are governed, all these are determined by the dies. So die is filled with the blend through the hopper. The fill weight is adjusted to govern the final weight of the tablet. Now we need to understand that how the process of compaction that will occur. So what this has been shown, that is the different steps or the different processes that will going to be explained through this. Now this is what is said to be the upper punch, this is the lower punch, the upper punch, lower punch, upper punch, lower punch. This is the feed frame. See the movement of the feed frame. Now it is above this particular lower punch. Now it is slightly moved toward the left side, and then it will be completely moved toward left, the upper punch that will comes down. So you can see that in case of first figure, what you can see, this is the feed shoe. The feed shoe that is for ensuring the filling of the die cavity. Now this is the die and this particular is the die cavity. So these are the granules. The granules have been completely filled. The feed shoe that will come over, that will occupy the dies, as a result of which, due to gravitational force, the granule they will move into the die cavity. Then it will move toward the left. So you can see that now the die that is completely filled. As the feed shoe that will move toward left, the upper punch that will moves down, as a result of which it will occupy its position into the die, and further moving down it will causes the process of compression, as a result of which the mass, the material, the granules which was there into the die cavity, that will get compressed into a compact mass which is said to be the tablet. So the upper punch that will move with pressure onto the die filled with the blend. So compression force governs the hardness and friability of the tablet. The force at which the process of moving or the process of compression that will occur, that is responsible for getting the hardness and ultimately the friability. More will be the pressure, hard will be the tablet, less will be the friability. Vice versa is the condition. Less will be the pressure, the hardness will be less, and the tablet that will become more friable. In this particular picture, you can see that how the process of ejection that will occur. So during the process of ejection, now you can see the upper punch that will tries to move into the upward direction. As a result of which the lower punch will also move into the upward direction. So the upper punch that will further moves into the upward direction, and lower punch it will moves to the upward direction when it will coincides, when it will matches to that of the platform level. That's it. Further movement of the lower punch will not occur, so that will lead to the damage of the punch tips, right? So next there is a scraper. So the scraper or the field shoe that will comes forward, and it will causes the moving, or it will causes the removal of the compressed tablet from that of the die. As it will move the tablet further, it will causes the filling of the tablet, and the process that will continues. After compression, the lower punch rises up until its tip reaches to the die top. The tablet is then removed by a pushing device. This is the pushing device which will causes to remove the tablet. The tablet punching machine, there are different types of tablet punching machines. One is said to be the single punch machine. Another is said to be the rotary punching machine. Now, the single punch machine that is responsible for producing only single tablet in its one rotation. But as far as the rotary punching machines are concerned, these are responsible for producing multiple number of tablets during their one rotation. So based on that, there are different types, like say 12 station machinery, 16 station machinery, or 54 station machinery, right? So these machineries are responsible for producing the tablet at a very high speed. And during single rotation, they are responsible for producing that much number of tablets. So based on the number of station, that much number of tablets are getting produced, or we can obtain that much number of tablet in one just single rotation. So because of which the processivity, because of which the speed of production of the tablet that will be getting increased. So in case of very high speed, larger station machineries, we can obtain the tablet from 50,000 to up to 10 lakh tablet per hour. Are you getting my point? The number is vast, and that's why their speed is also that much speedily the process that will occur. They will run like anything, and because of the number of stations more, so in just a single second or minute, they will give thousands of numbers of tablets. So these are the automated one.
With the help
right?
of
Now
this
here you can see that how the
diagram or
process
this
of
moving figure,
tablet
moving animation, you can
production
have the
that will
idea
occur.
how the
This is the
rotary
animated version.
punching
So you can
machine
see that.
works. You can
So this
see
is the
that
particular
in a feed cam,
upper cam.
when it is
This is
moving,
said
that
to
it
be
is
the
the
lower
complete
cam.
machine
All
is
these are
moving
the
like this,
upper
that
punches.
they
All these are the
lower punch
lower punches.
at the feed
So
frame.
we can see
It is
these
by
are
the
the
feed,
main
and the upper
roller
punch comes from
compression
the
roller. There is
upper
a
portion,
bottom
punches
one
it.
compression roller.
When they are
Before
compressed,
these
the ejected
main
fan takes it,
compression
lower
rollers
punch comes
will
upward
going to,
and it is
now
ejected.
what
So
these they
this
will
way,
do,
the rotary punching
they
machine.
will continuously go on rotating. So as I said that this is the multi-station machinery. Going to find
With the help
that
of this
the
diagram or this moving
process
figure,
that
moving
will
animation, you can
occur
have the idea
continuously,
how the
that there
rotary
is a
punching machine
dice.
works. You
In
can see
between
that
these
in a feed
dice,
cam,
there is a lower
when it is
punch.
moving, that it
That
is the
cavity
complete
is
machine
running
is
going
moving
to
like
be
this,
created.
that
You can see
the
here, there
lower
is
punch
a
at
white
the feed
particle
frame, it
getting
is by the
created.
feet,
Now,
when the
how
upper
this
punch comes
die
from the
cavity is
upper
created?
portion,
That is
punches it.
because of the
When they are
moment
compressed, the
adjusted
ejected
by
fan
the
takes it, lower
weight
punch comes
control
upward and it
unit.
is
So
ejected.
that is
So
the
by this
weight
way, the rotary
adjustment
punching
ramp.
machine.
So this is the, and this die cavity is responsible for carrying the weight, for carrying the fill weight, and this tablet weight, right?
With the help of this
So that
diagram
is
of this
getting
moving figure,
filled.
moving animation,
Now
you can
this
have the
filled
idea how
die
the
that
rotary
is
punching
moving
machine works.
further,
You can see
upper
that
punches
in a
they will
feed cam,
start coming into the
when it is
lower
moving,
punches.
that it is the complete
And this
machine
is
is
going to
moving
be
like this, that
adjusted as a
the
result of
lower